Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine.
So guys, in this video I am going to explain how you can make proper search for your desired video on YouTube, on the web browser and YouTube application on the Android devices. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your desired web browser. This is the Firefox and this is the YouTube shortcut. Click over it and now the YouTube home page is opened, and this is some of the already predefined videos on home page. There are some predefined search options at the top of the list. There are some other options at the left side of the YouTube menu: home, shorts, subscription. For subscription you have to sign in your web browser on YouTube. Then there are some options related to trending videos, music, games, and these options are already present at the top of the list. So come to the point: how to search properly on YouTube search options. For example, classification of computers, and these are the videos at top of the list. It is an advertisement video from the YouTube, and then these are the topics which have been searched according to our keywords. But there are lots of videos from different YouTube channels, and if you want to search a specific topic of a video from a specific channel, you can search like this. Write the title of the video, let's suppose classification of the computers, and then at the end write the name of the YouTube channel from which you are expecting the desired video. This is my channel, and now at the top of the search list there is already an advertisement video, and then there is a second video which is 100% according to my search options: classification of computer from Nasir the Explainer. And you can see this is the desired video and this is the desired YouTube channel, and this is the channel option. Click. Now we have entered the channel videos, and these all the options are related to my channel. This is the home page. Then there is the second option, videos, then there is shorts, then playlist, community, and at the end of the list there is a magnifying glass which is showing the search option, and if you click, then this is the search option which is being done within the channel. This search bar shows the results from all the videos of the YouTube, and this search option is only related to the searching videos from a specific YouTube channel. So for example, I search a video, then you can see these videos are being searched from Nasir the Explainer, and I have searched for software and hardware, and all the videos which are related to the software and hardware from the Nasir the Explainer are being shown here. So that's the search option using Windows operating system. Now, how these search options are present in YouTube application on Android devices.
Now let's check the search options on YouTube application on Android devices. Let's suppose this is the YouTube application. You can see here is at the top of the right corner there is a search magnification tool, and here you can search for the same option, classification of computers, and again at the end write the channel name. And here you can see the same mechanism is working on the Android device. This is the channel on Android device, and if we scroll right, you can see these are the same option which were present on the Windows web browser, and there is no search option inside the YouTube channel. So it is confirmed that you can make search on YouTube application on Android devices in the general search bar, but there is no search bar option is available inside the YouTube channel. I think that's enough for the today's video.